In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock an element in Canva. This is a simple but powerful way to keep your design tidy and prevent accidental changes while you work. Whether you're designing a presentation, a social post, or a flyer, locking key elements saves time and protects your layout. Start by opening your project and locating the element you want to lock. This could be a background photo you don't want to nudge, a logo that must stay in place, or a decorative shape that anchors your design. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct item on your canvas. When you click the element, you should see the selection handles appear around it, which confirms it's active and ready for the next step. With the element selected, perform a right-click to open the context menu. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way, and on some keyboards, you can hold a modifier key while clicking to bring up the menu. You'll see several options appear, and among them is Lock. This is where you choose how strictly you want Canva to protect the element. You're given two choices, Lock or Lock Position Only. Pick the one that fits your needs. If you choose Lock, the element becomes fully secured. That means you won't be able to move it, resize it, rotate it, or make edits to its contents or styling. This is perfect for background images, brand marks, and finished elements that should remain exactly as they are. If you choose Lock Position Only, the element stays anchored in place, but you can still make visual adjustments. You can typically change colors, edit text inside the element if applicable, tweak effects, or update styles without the risk of bumping it out of alignment. This option is especially useful for headlines or key graphics that must stay aligned while you refine their look. Once you've made your choice, you're done. A quick way to confirm the lock is to try dragging the element. If it doesn't move, the lock is active and working as intended. This small step can prevent accidental shifts, maintain consistent spacing, and keep your composition clean while you focus on the creative details. That's all there is to it. Open your project, select the element, right-click to open the context menu, and choose either Lock or Lock Position Only. Use Full Lock when you're finished with an element, and Lock Position Only when you're still styling, but want the placement to stay put. Happy designing?